27 private school students in Andhra get COVID-19. Delhi government directs schools to sensitize students against bursting firecrackers amidst dropping air quality. Delhi Police Corp educates underprivileged kids under open sky school. Maharashtra Education Department makes it mandatory for teachers to attend training on child rights. Good afternoon and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where we get you the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Sanya reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: 27 private school students in Andhra get COVID-19. At least 27 students attending private schools in Andhra's Kurnool district have tested positive for the novel coronavirus. The students belonging to classes 9 and 10 were from 4 different private schools in Sunipenta of Sri Selman Mandal, and the district collector has issued orders to shut down all 4 schools for 10 days and to sanitize their surroundings. The Delhi government has directed all schools in the national capital to sensitize students against bursting crackers during the festival season in view of the deteriorating air quality, which is an increased cause of concern during the COVID-19 pandemic. Since the schools continue to be closed, the authorities have been advised to use WhatsApp groups and other virtual mediums to motivate the students to say no to crackers. Sitting under the open sky with books in their hands at the yearning to learn, dozens of young children throng the school run on rug-covered flooring. Here's where Than Singh, a Delhi police constable, takes to the board to write the topic of the day, and thus begins the learning process. At the Sai Temple compound inside Red Fort parking area, this open sky school has been run by Singh since 2016. The Maharashtra Education Department has made it mandatory for teachers across the state to attend a 3-day long training on child rights and protection in order to create awareness in schools. The online training session is being held between October 20 and 22, and schools have been asked to ensure 100% attendance of teachers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website, which is www.theenn.com, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Sanya.